Of course, as you know, Quora.com is one of the most popular social networks and the #1 Q&A platform in the internet. And guess what? The origin of Quora name is acronym for 3 different words: questions or answers. So you can take the first letters of these different words to craft Quora word. Thus, people come to Quora.com to either ask questions or seek to satisfying answers. And no wonder this huge and awesome Q&A platform is visited by over 300 million visitors a month. So by this huge traffic, you can capitalize on to promote your business, whether they are articles, YouTube videos, or affiliate products in a professional way. And of course, by using Quora.com, there are different ways to make money online through this enormous platform. And the first way, just you can answer some questions that are related and relevant to your field and your niche. Therefore, you gotta jot down some valuable answers that show yourself as an expert in your niche and your field in a long form and in an organized manner. Thus, you can include some links of complementary pieces of content such as articles, YouTube videos, products, and etc. In other words, you can take people from these answers to your business, whether they are store, website, YouTube channel, or even affiliate products in a professional way by using some landing pages. So the first way to make money online or to promote your stuff here through using Quora is by giving valuable answers. Second way, just you can create here your own Quora space. You can take a Quora space as your mini blog or micro blog where you can share your stories, ideas, and articles. And similar to answers, here you can create your articles where you can insert some links that take people back to your business, stores, websites, YouTube channels, and so on. And the third way, you can apply for Quora Space monetization program. If your country is eligible here, just you can apply for this program to monetize your Quora Space and giving people a lot of quality in your space as a website or a microblog. And the fourth way to promote your stuff using Quora.com to make money online, just by using Quora ads to make your answers and your Quora articles as sponsored ones and rank higher on the home feed and the search results on Quora.com to get a lot of traffic, to be more visible to many people and visitors to this awesome platform. And for sure, in today's topic, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that will take Quora marketing game to new heights. This awesome tool is QAPop.com. It's an amazing tool to help you more to find the best relevant questions to answer to get a lot of traffic to your business. And the best part here, you can use it for free. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough on QPop and how you use it for free to take your Quora marketing to the next level. So first off, just you can click over the spawn, start for free, click over it, and you insert your credentials, your name, email, password, and so on, like this one here, quickly, password, like this one, your password again. Okay, are you active on Quora? So yes, for example, how did you find the QAPop? Like from friend like me. Okay, and you create your account. We sent you an email, a verification message, and now we are taken to your dashboard here on QAPop.com. And first of all, here you can insert some 3 keywords or main keywords regarding your topic and your niche. So if you are working on making online or finance niche, so you can answer some the most popular keywords like budget, credit cards, entrepreneur, and so on. Or if you are working on the weight loss or health niche, so you can insert some keywords like weight loss, fitness, healthy food, and so on and so forth. So for example, if I'm working on YouTube niche, I can insert some relevant keywords like make money from YouTube, for example. Okay, the first one, and YouTube automation, for example, and faceless YouTube channel. Okay, perfect. And now you can click over this button, continue. Are you active on Quora? So you can select anyone. continue. What kind of business do you do? So you can select this one, other. What best describes your business, like affiliate. What's your website URL? It's an optional. Show my results. And here, by using this awesome tool, just you can scrap the old questions and the best questions to answer regarding your topics or your keywords that you have inserted in the first step. Therefore, you can find the first feature here on QAPop.com. That is, you can know how engagement on your niche on Quora is by showing you the search volume regarding your keywords. As you see, regarding your YouTube niche, it has high traffic keywords, and the questions related to your keywords have between 30,000 and 60,000 monthly views. It's a huge traffic to your keywords. And here you can find keywords breakdown as well, like make money from YouTube, YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channel, and so on. And if you go down a little bit, here you can find the best and top questions regarding your niche to answer to get a lot of traffic to promote your stuff. Here you can find a lot of questions, including some metrics like QAPop score that shows you how relevant and beneficial this question for you, and the answers, followers, and total views, and so on and so forth. So you get to answer all these questions to promote and market your business as much as possible, as you see. So the first feature here, it shows you the search volume to your keywords and the top questions regarding your niche, as you observe. And the second feature here on QAPop.com, here you can find here, you can answer these questions by using this awesome AI tool in QAPop.com. You can generate high quality and crafted answers to your questions, as you see. And for sure, this tool is powered by ChatGPT, so you can get some concise and precise and high professional answers to these amazing questions. For example, we can answer this question, get answer, and just in a snap here you can find a well-crafted answer to this amazing question, as you see. Full points, introduction, and so on. So it's an organized manner to show your valuable answer that show yourself as an expert in this amazing niche. And as I said before, here you can insert some links as a complimentary pieces of content that take people from this answer to your website, your YouTube videos, or even your affiliate products covered by a landing page. Okay, perfect. So the second feature here in QPop.com is you can answer your questions by using AI technology. So now we can head to, so when you head to a dashboard of your QAPop account, here you can find your report is ready. As you see, my Quora analysis. So you find here your opportunity to promote your stuff regarding your keywords is great with weekly impressions, as you see. So now we can view it. Okay, and here you can find a breakdown of the full report of your questions to answer to get a lot of traffic to your keywords and your answers. As you see, these amazing questions with a lot of metrics like QAPop score, Quora traffic, weekly keywords, followers, views, answers, and top ad votes that people who encourage this answer to be more visible to other people, as you see. Perfect. So depending on these factors, you can select the best questions to answer, and especially you can select the question that has a lot of followers because it gives you opportunities to make your answer more visible and more viewed by a lot of people. Okay, perfect, like this one for followers, okay, 22, so forth, as you see. So by visiting this dashboard and quick analysis here, you can find a full breakdown of these keywords and your questions to answer here on QAPop.com. Perfect. So we can go back a little bit to dashboard, okay. Perfect. And of course, you can add different keywords as you want in different field and different topic as you want. And this quick analysis, here you can answer some new keywords as you want, as we said before, like for health, fitness, entrepreneurship, and so on and so forth. Or you can go to this awesome new feature here in QAPop. to get a lot of keywords regarding your website and your blog, as you observe. Perfect. And here's some amazing features on QA Pop as well. That is, you can go to dashboard again. Here you can track some questions on Quora. So it gives you a lot of data and the stats every single hour or day or weekly as you want. So if any question is newly added to the platform regarding your keyword, thus QA Pop sends you a notification that a new question here pops up. So you got to answer it to be the first person to answer or to give a valuable answer to this question. Therefore, it gives you a lot of chances to be more viewable and to get a lot of traffic. And for sure, in this free trial on QA Pop, you can find some limited features, like you can get tracking 3 keywords and track a lot of questions regarding these 3 keywords. And you have 9 AI content drafts by using the AI generated content, or answer this question by using AI. And you can find 300 questions left regarding your topics and your niche to answer with enormous traffic to your business, whether they are articles, YouTube videos, affiliate products, and so forth. And by the way, fortunately, here an amazing deal on appsomo.com concerning this QA Pop. Here you can get a lifetime access and lifetime deal here on AppSomo just for $39. You can get unlimited access to QA Pop with all features as you see. So by using and you can grabbing by this amazing deal, here you can get a lot of Quora traffic estimation, premium support, keyword ID explorer, learning materials, filter data export, and AI powered content drafts per month, 5 daily keywords tracked, and over 1,000 questions per month, and so on and so forth in different tiers on appsomo.com. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, you can leave the comment section. See you in the next video.